Hey, what's up you guys? Taylor here with Virginia Water Gardens, and today we are checking out a build that our guys just finished, I believe yesterday or the day before that. It's a beautiful pondless with a amazing patio, and I'm really excited to show you guys what's up. And then after this, we're going to be heading to another job site that they're just getting started on, so I'm super excited to see how far they've gotten with that. So let's go check it out. It's crazy because before here there was literally nothing but grass, and I'm gonna insert a picture of that right here. And now they have this, so now they get to enjoy the aquascape lifestyle. They get to sit out, you know, have a drink, have guests and stuff like that, and just admire what grass was just grass here before and is now a masterpiece. And that's just, you know, what it's all about, really. So up here we have a spillway which is matched beautifully with a lot of rocks, and then they mulched up behind it, and then it comes down into this basin here. What I really like about this job is actually this rock right here. Just like how the intricate design, it really just looks like the water just eroded the rock away, and it's just amazing. And then over here they built an irregular patio, which our patios are pretty awesome as well. I really like the different kind, like the color contrast with the patio here. And then they also added some lights down here as well, and then there's another one right over here that kind of line around the patio. So when they have some furniture out here, you know, they can really enjoy the whole water feature and just sit out here for hours. I know that I could. Just look at these massive boulders. Absolutely huge. Probably about the size of me. Definitely weigh a lot more than I do, but I really like the moss on here, how natural that looks. What's really cool is this is the road that leads into the rest of the neighborhood, and a lot of these houses are spaced quite a bit of ways apart. But as I was driving up, I could see this water feature from the road, which is really neat. So all the neighbors that drive by are able to see this, and as soon as I rounded the corner of the house, I could immediately hear it, and it's just such a relaxing sound. I would literally never leave. So we are here at our second job. They literally just started this, I believe, today. And this house is literally right on Lake Anna, so it's really cool that they also wanted a water feature included. So let's go check out how far the guys have gotten so far. And that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, seeing the newest feature that they just built and getting to see a little bit of the new feature that they're just starting. And obviously once that one is done, I will be making another video so we can see the finished effect. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and if you really like this video, please like, comment, subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.